Welcome everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Tami Winkle, and by the title and the thumbnail you already know I am back with another hair video. So I have these new products, yes, and I will be showing you guys how I use them and the benefits of them. Alright, but before I get into that, let me get into the shout outs. You know, all my supporters, subscribers, followers, viewers. My after big on up. Alright, so let's just get right into it. The first person I want to big up is Cartus Entertainment. I want to say that right. Cartus, big up yourself. You don't know, Yadi, him always representing. He does comedy videos. He also does cooking video. You know, a chef. Come on. Cooking, baking, entertainment, and he's such a great supporter. He always like support me or any other small YouTuber, large YouTuber, him always support. So go on over, watch his videos, subscribe to his channel. The next person I want to big up is Sean and Shays Family. They are a lesbian YouTuber couple. Them awesome, me I tell you. I love watching the videos, funny, bad. They do prank, story time, fun, entertainment, just about every little thing they do on their channel. So rush on over guys, support them and let them know that Tami Winkle send you, alright? The next person I wanna big up, my next supporter, is G and Bree TV. Yeah, you don't know, me love Uno. Big up on yourself. They're also a lesbian couple YouTuber. They do vlogs, challenges, pranks, and more. Big up on yourself, guys. I'm gonna tell you that they're very supportive. Go on over, watch them content, and make sure you subscribe and make them know that Tami Winkle send you, alright? The next person I wanna big up is Rory Kids. Rory Kids. She is a fairly new YouTuber. You know, she do her thing right now. She does motivation talk, she gives relationship advice, she does story time, and so much more. Go on over, check out her channel. She has great content, and make sure you know say a Tami Winkle send you, alright? And the final person is Miss Petite. Yeah, big up yourself, Miss Petite. I love watching your channel. Her travel vlogs are bomb. And she also does fashion vlogs, she does beauty, DIY, hair videos as well, and so much more. So all these persons that I mentioned, please rush over to them channel, support them because they do support you back. I'm telling you, yeah. So just do that and make them know that Tami Winkle send you. So guys, if you want to be shouted out in my next video, all you need to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel, watch my videos, and just leave a genuine comment. You know, you support me genuinely, I will do the same. What I'm going to do is, before I do anything, my hair, I'm going to wash it. Yeah, I'm going to just wash it and thing, and then when we get back, I'll tell you about the products and the benefits and stuff while I'm using them. Alright guys, so we are back, and as you can see, my hair is freshly washed, well clean and everything. Now the first thing we're going to use is our leave-in Detangler. It's just for me. So this is the natural hair milk. It has coconut milk, shea butter, vitamin E, and sunflower oil. It nourishes and softens hair, and it also gives your hair a bounce, yes? So you make sure you spray this all over. So I comb my hair so nothing else. One buckle. Spray this all over. Make sure say it go all the way in. Kind of move your hair out the way sometimes if your hair is a lot. Spray it up. Yes. So you do that. You use your hand. Just massage it in the hair. Just like that. Next, up, you section your hair if you can. Work your hair in section because, especially when your hair is a lot, makes sense to do that. Better for you. And then you can do the parts where you miss, or if you don't think everywhere get it, you add some more, alright? So you do that now. You can section it here some more. Get a big tooth comb and kind of comb your hair out. Small section. Then you just do that. See? Powers of this natural hair may look come right out. Okay, so that was step 1. Step 2, after you do that, you go in with your natural tresses. And this one is a hair and scalp oil blend. It contains olive oil, sunflower oil, grapeseed oil, castor oil, coconut oil, tea tree oil, so much oil. It hydrates, moisturize your hair, sealing moisture, and it also helps dry and damaged hair. So the first thing I want to do is shake it up like so. And I love this because it has a little nozzle at the top, so you know it works wonders. Use your finger and then you kind of just put that in the scalp right there. See? Finger massage it in. Part it here, make sure you see the root. Put it right on the root like so. Work it in as you go along, alright? Work it all the way in, then you just massage it in like so. Yes. So that's step 2, guys. Easy, you see I'm gonna move fast. Like Speedy Gonzalez. Got things to do, guys. Now, bam! Marguerite's Magic Restorative Cream. Contains water, corn oil, soya bean oil, shea butter, yes, sweet almond oil, beeswax, cocoa butter, and so much more. You have so much things in it, guys, but all good stuff, alright? Yes. So, then so when you apply this, make sure your hair like a little moisturized, and as you can see, I already have it in. It looks something like so. Yes. You want to see the thickness of it? Consistency. Yes. Mr. Dended up and what's the point, but anyway. Next, you section a part of the hair like that. You got like a medium teeth comb now, yeah? Is this amount? Maybe I will need more, but I'll try that first. Apply to the hair like that, because I can see we need a little more. Work it in the air, in the hair, in the hair, just like so. And I need more. Jesus. Make sure you get the ends and everywhere. Yes. I wasn't ready. 2-strand twist. Everybody must know if it twists by now. 2-strand twist. Alright. Here we go. I don't move too fast. If you don't know, it's one over the other. Twist it up like so. And do a little twirly thingy. Bam! The shrinkage is real. Now I'm just going to repeat all of what I just did here to the whole head, and then I will see you back in a few. This is the end result of my natural hair care video for today. If you enjoyed this one, please leave your comments down below. Also, if you have tried any one of these products, please comment down below, let me know how well they work for you. Tip, do remember when you're going to bed to tie your head with a kerchief, because this is like a protective style and you don't want your twist to be unraveled when you wake up. So please do that, and it helps your twist to last longer. Remember to follow me on Instagram at Tami. I also tag my subscribers that I shout out in this video and all the other videos in my Instagram story. Remember to turn on your post notification bell if you haven't as yet, to be notified when I post a new video. And also subscribe, guys. I'm on my way now to 940 subscribers. Yes, guys, we are getting the road to 1K. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, stay blessed.